This is the seventh session of Unit 1 of Taxation of 5th Sem BBA of Mangalore University. Let us solve some more problems on depreciation in this session. So this is the format to solve the depreciation, to calculate the allowable depreciation on the block of assets. We have different block of assets here. And first we take the written down value on the first day of the previous year. We add the purchases during the year. Again we divide the purchases which of the assets which are used for more than 180 days and less than 180 days, less the assets sold during the year, and on the closing value of the block of asset we charge the depreciation as per the rate prescribed, and then we get the written down value of the asset. So this problem appeared in the year November 2017. So let us see the information. Mr. Jagan furnishes following particulars for the financial year. Written down value of building as on 1st April 20 lakh, it is 10%, that is the rate of depreciation. Plant 10 lakh, 15%, and one truck rupees 50,000, and the rate of depreciation is 30%. During the year, following assets were purchased. Building worth rupees 13 lakh on 1st November. So you can see here, as it is 1st November, if you count November, December, January, February, March, it comes to 5 months. Therefore, this is less than 180 days. Plant is purchased on 1st July. So definitely this is used for more than 180 days. Now next we shall see following assets were transferred or sold. Building, plant costing 3 lakh, and it was destroyed by fire. Compensation received from insurance company rupees 80,000. Amount received on sale of scrap rupees 10,000, and truck was sold on 1st January for 25,000. There was only one truck and this truck was sold. So the truck was costing 50,000 and it was sold for 25,000. So there is a loss, short-term capital loss, and also we can't charge depreciation because one truck which was there was sold. So now let us see the computation on these assets. So we have three blocks here. One is building, plant, and truck. First is the written down value. Written down value we get here 20 lakh, 10 lakh, and 50,000. So 20 lakh, 10 lakh, and 50,000. Add purchase during the year. So we have here building as well as plant which is purchased during the year. Buildings is 13 lakh and plant is 2 lakh. So if you add, you get this total. Then less transferred or sold during the year. We have building which is sold for 28 lakh. So if you deduct 28 lakh, you get the closing value 5 lakh for buildings. And plant costing 3 lakh rupees. It costs 3 lakh, but we have realized 80,000 plus 10,000. So 90,000 we have realized only 90,000 from this. So again there is a loss. And the truck is sold for 25,000. Therefore, as the truck is sold for 25,000, the only truck which was there, it doesn't exist. So the block is vanished. Now let us charge the depreciation. So if you see here, depreciation on building, closing value is 5 lakh rupees. So on 5 lakh rupees, we are charging at 5%. Actually, the rate of depreciation on building is 10%. But this 13 lakh building worth 13 lakh was purchased on 1st November. That means this 13 lakh is used for less than 180 days. Now if you see, the closing value we have only 5 lakh. We assume that the asset which is transferred 28 lakh is deducted from 33 lakh, so only 5 lakh is left. So the new building is remaining, therefore we charge 50% of the rate, that is of 10 on 10%. 50% of 10% comes to 5%, therefore 5% on 5 lakh comes to 25,000. So the depreciation on building is 25,000. And next we shall see depreciation on plant. It is 11 lakh 10,000. On 11 lakh 10,000 we are charging at the rate of 15% because the new plant which is purchased, it is purchased on 1st July. So definitely it is used for more than 180 days of costing rupees 2 lakh. So it is 15% on 11 lakh 10,000, it comes to 1 lakh 66,500. But at the same time we have to charge additional depreciation only in the case of plant and machinery if it is purchased during the year. So plant purchased during the year is of 2 lakh. On 2 lakh we have to give additional depreciation of 20% as it is used for more than 180 days. So it comes to 40,000. So we have to add 1 lakh 66,500 plus 40,000. It comes to 2 lakh 6,500. And there is no depreciation in case of truck. So total allowable depreciation is the total of building as well as plant. It comes to 2,31,500. Let us see the next problem. This came in November 2018. From the following information, compute depreciation allowable to Pai & Sons, a firm of chartered accountants. So though this question appeared in November 2018, we have changed the year of assessment and the previous year. So we shall apply our current assessment year and the previous year and we shall solve the problem. So the written down value as on 1st April 2019. Here we have assets computers, typewriters, office furniture, office building. So this is the rate of depreciation. Again, purchase new computer, that is additions to computers. Sold office building for rupees 12 lakh and purchased a new building. Purchase books for profession, rupees 20,000. So assets, computation of depreciation, we have computers at the rate of 40%, typewriters 15%, furniture 10%, buildings 10% and books 40%. Now we shall first take down the written down value as on 1st April 2019. So we have computers 2,40,000, typewriters 50,000, furniture 80,000, buildings 4 lakh and books which are purchased on 10th November 2019. So this is an addition. So additions during the year, computers is purchased one new computer on 1st July 2019. This is used for more than 180 days, 80,000. Sold office building for rupees 12 lakh and purchased a new building for rupees 30 lakh. So there is an additions for building, that is 30 lakh, and books of 20,000. Now the assets sold during the year, there is no sales in case of computers, typewriters, furniture, but we have office building of 12 lakh which is sold during the year. So the closing value is, this is the closing value, and also the closing value of the books is 20,000. Now let us charge the depreciation. So 40% on 3,20,000, it comes to 1,28,000. 15% on typewriter, that is on 50,000, it comes to 7,500. On furniture at the rate of 10% it comes to 8,000, and on buildings at the this is purchased 30 lakh, building costing rupees 30 lakh is purchased on 1st December 2019. So the closing value is 22 lakh. On 22 lakh we can see a note here, depreciation on building and books at half the prescribed rate, as buildings and books are used for less than 180 days during the previous year. Books are purchased on 10th November. If the asset is purchased, then it will be used for less than 180 days. Therefore, on buildings costing rupees 30 lakh, there is only 22 lakh buildings. So, on this 22 lakh, we have to charge instead of 10% at the rate of 5%, which comes to 1,10,000. And on books at the rate of 40%, but because it is purchased on 10th November 2019, we shall charge half the rate, that is 20% on 20,000, it comes to 4,000. This is November 2019 problem. Vishal furnishes following particulars for the financial year. Written down value of building is given, plant, 1 truck. During the year the following assets were purchased, building worth 26 lakh on 1st November 2019, plant on 1st July 2019 for rupees 4 lakh. Now this 26 lakh, this building is utilized for less than 180 days as it is in November. Following assets were transferred, building, plant and 1 truck is sold. So this is a repetition of a previous question paper. Similar question paper was asked earlier. Now let us see the computation. Computation of depreciation for the assessment year 2020-21. So we shall write the block of assets. One is building, plant and truck. Written down value which is given in the beginning, which is 40 lakh, 20 lakh and 1 lakh. 40 lakh, 20 lakh and 1 lakh. Rate of depreciation 10%, 15% and 30%. Now we shall add additions during the year. We have building costing 26 lakh and plant 4 lakh. So if you add, you get 66 lakh and 24 lakh and the truck remains the same. But the sales during the year regarding building, it is 56 lakh, plant 2 lakh and the truck, the only truck which was there is sold for 50,000. So there is a capital loss in this case. So this is the closing value, but there is no closing value because the only truck which was there is sold. Now let us charge the depreciation on the asset. Depreciation on building. As this building, the new building was purchased on 1st November 2019. Though it is of 26 lakh, but the closing value is 10 lakh. On 10 lakh rupees, we have to charge at the rate of 5%. That is half of the actual rate. That comes to 50,000. Depreciation on plant and machinery. The new plant was purchased on 1st July 2019 for rupees 4 lakh. So here there is closing value of 22 lakh. From this 22 lakh, on this 22 lakh we can, and on this entire block 22 lakh we can charge 15%, because even that plant costing 4 lakh rupees is also used for more than 180 days. Therefore, on this entire block, that is 22 lakh, we are charging at the rate of 15%. That is normal depreciation. It comes to 3,30,000. But there is an additional depreciation for the plant which is purchased during the year, and that rate is 20%. So it comes to 80,000. So if you add this together, it comes to 4,10,000, and there is a short-term capital loss in case of truck, that is 50,000. So this is the problem which appeared in October-November 2020. From the following information, compute the depreciation allowable for the assessment year, written down value at the beginning. So the first day of the previous year, plant and machinery it's given here, buildings, even the rate is given, books for professional purpose, annual publication 40,000. The following assets were purchased during the year. Plant and machinery for production of an article in July 2019, so this is more than 180 days. Building in December 2019, then it is less than 180 days. Sales during the year, plant and machinery sold of 3 lakh and building 15 lakh. So let us compute the depreciation now. We have plant and machinery, buildings and books. Written down value at the beginning. So we have seen this in the beginning here, 6 lakh, 50,000, 5 lakh and 40,000. So 6 lakh, 50,000, 5 lakh and 40,000. Add additions during the year. The following assets were purchased. Plant and machinery 4 lakh and building 40 lakh. Plant and machinery 4 lakh and building 40 lakh. Less sale during the year. Sales during the year, plant and machinery 3 lakh and building 15 lakh. If we deduct, we get the closing value, and now we have to compute the depreciation. Now first we'll take the plant and machinery. Depreciation on plant and machinery on the entire block of 7,50,000 we are charging at the rate of 15%. It comes to 1,12,500. But there was an addition which was purchased during the year for 4 lakh. On this 4 lakh, as it is used for more than 180 days, we are giving additional depreciation of 20%. It comes to 80,000. So the total depreciation on plant and machinery is 1,92,500. And on buildings, depreciation is, the closing value is 30 lakh. On 30 lakh, we are charging at the rate of 5% instead of 10% because the new building additions during the year of 40 lakh, this was on the date December 2019. So on the closing value, that is 30 lakh, we are charging at the rate of 5%, we get 1,50,000. And related to the books, it is direct 40% on 40,000, it comes to 16,000. So this is the written down value.